Sa mga kapuso, ngayon hawak ko ang Tadhana's jar.
Of Destiny.
Okay. Ulit.
Okay ba?
So ngayon mga kapuso, hawak ko ang Tadhana's jar of destiny. Today I'm feeling thankful and grateful because I'm very blessed. So, ang kukunin ko, ito yung pink. Ang nakuha ko na Bible verse ay I will praise the name of God with a song. I will magnify Him with thanksgiving. Ang ganda. Psalm 69 to 30. Yan. So, yun naman talaga yung, I'm always grateful and thankful and blessed. That's what I don't forget to pray for every day. Kahit masaya, malungkot, may nangyaring maganda o hindi, feeling ko lahat may purpose eh. So bagay na bagay sa akin to. And always, ang motto ko in life is, His will be done. So, sa lahat ng ginagawa ko, I hope and I try my very best to magnify His name all the time. Because everything comes from God.
So, last 2 sequences na po tayo on your
Yes.
3rd day, your 3-day shoot with Tadhana for our 8th anniversary. So, kamusta naman po overall yung experience?
Sobrang saya, sobrang smooth, sobrang easy, ang bilis natin, 3 days, we all worked hard, so I hope mga kapuso magustuhan nyo yung offering namin for the 8th anniversary of Tadhana. So sana samahan nyo kami at saka subaybayan every Saturday at 3:15 in the afternoon for Tadhana's 8th anniversary presentation. Kita-kits!